Today, we are looking for my old silver star necklace. The attic is quiet and smells like old books. I used to open this brown box every Christmas. It has a thin layer of dust on it. Mom wrote this note before my college exam. She used to leave you notes so you weren't alone. Used to means something you did in the past. Oh! Like how you used to study late at night. This handkerchief holds a story about Buddy and Luna. Was Buddy the big dog and Luna the tiny cat? The sun was shining through the apple tree. Everything felt peaceful before the sudden sound. Luna slipped through the bars and ran to the gate. A car stopped suddenly with a loud brake. Buddy pushed Luna out of the way to save her. He saved her life, but his paw was bleeding. I was crying while holding this handkerchief against his paw. Buddy wagged his tail to show he was okay. We use past continuous for things happening in the background. Like, I was hanging clothes when the car stopped. This $2 bill reminds me that kindness comes back. You gave your last money to a lost stranger. I walked home in the rain with no money. 2 weeks later, the stranger was your interview director. He said, kindness has a way of finding its way home.
Yeah.
He hired you and gave back the same $2 bill. Look, my silver star necklace was under the letters. You've kept it for years. It still shines bright. Treasures are right here waiting for us to notice. Mom! Rumi, why are you hiding here in the music room? I don't want anyone to see me crying, Mom.
You were excited about the school show next week.
Miller chose Chloe instead because she is louder. Chloe said I'm too quiet and people will get bored. That was not kind, and it was not fair.
Quiet courage is still courage, little explorer.
What if Chloe's right? What if I'm too quiet? Your mom always has a plan, Rumi. Thank you for finding me in the music room today. Miss Miller, can I have one chance to show my energy? You can practice after school today with Mr. Reed. I'm sorry I sat with Chloe. I want to help you. I want you to be on my side again, Lily. Move the way the music feels. Just be honest. It's not perfect, but it feels like a story. Open this tomorrow. You need courage first. Is it magic? I'm scared, but I won't hide. This dress was mine when I was your age. It is beautiful and looks like it's glowing. It doesn't shine by itself. It shines when you move. It reminds me that I can move anyway. I hear 1,000 eyes, but I close my eyes. You're not alone. I'm right here watching. I don't need to be loud to reach the sky. Look at Rumi. She shines when she tries. Rumi, you told a story and showed real courage. The first prize goes to Rumi. You did it! The dress isn't lucky. You believed in yourself. I'm not famous, Mom. I'm just very happy. This robot is perfect for Genu. He loves to explore. It's very strong and made for curious kids. Rumi likes quiet things. This hand-painted gift is for her.
Each one is a little different and special.
Dad works hard. He deserves these comfortable headphones.
Dark blue bag, got it. He will love them.
Thank you so much. I'm eating hot soup. It's perfect for a shopping marathon. Mom, come home safe. That's all that matters.
Crowded trains make me nervous, but I'm almost home. Last day of the year always feels heavy and hopeful. Oh no! The gift for my son is gone! I saved for months! Let's look together. Maybe it slipped under the seat. This was for my son, but I want you to have it. No, I can't take your gift. It's too much. I can't. I know what it feels like to wait all year. Please. Thank you. Just give your son a hug for me.
I gave 2 gifts away tonight to people in need.
You're here, Emma. That's already a big gift.
I'm sorry, I have nothing left to give tonight. It's okay, Mom. We are just glad you are back.
Wait, there is one last bag. It found the right owner.
It's the robot! Best New Year ever!
You have a lottery ticket. Let's watch the draw.
I'm so nervous.
The numbers match.
Oh, but not the last one. Oh, honey. That's okay. I think someone else needed the luck.
I hope whoever took that gift needed it more than we did.
The sloth looks so relaxed, just like Dad after lunch. He holds the tree all day and night. Dream job.
Look! The monkey is wearing Dad's favorite hat! My hat has officially moved on to a new owner. Surprise! A sloth mask in your face at 6 a.m. I just lost 5 years of my life, you monsters! I dreamed Peter got gold, and I only got my old hat.
Wake up, David. Professor Alvarez is calling us.
Your stone piece connects to an unsolved puzzle in Peru.
Are we really flying to Peru today? This is crazy! Gate 12, departing in 2 hours. I'm ready. A boarding pass is like a ticket to the sky. Gate 12, departing in 2 hours. I'm ready. A boarding pass is like a ticket to the sky.
Ancient symbols share patterns like a giant puzzle.
The markings reflect light strangely. It's full of meaning.
Look at the fluffy alpaca. It looks so fashionable.
The mountains are like giants protecting history.
Many have tried to match the piece to the wall.
Look at the sunlight. It's pointing at something.
Mom, look, I found a pancake rock under the tree. This is old. It looks like an ancient symbol. We found another one. These 2 pieces fit together.
Oh, we are officially...
Put the stone in the light, not on the wall.
Oh! The angle matters, just like at the airport window. It's glowing! You solved a puzzle from decades ago! It's a sun!
Team Explorer is forever!
This treasure isn't gold. It's a gift of harmony.
Life is full of surprises. No more hats, please.